Hi, I am Abhishek Nazar. I help companies get clients on LinkedIn. I am also LinkedIn trainer and coach. In this video, you will learn how to find jobs on LinkedIn and how to apply on these jobs in a very easy way. So let's start. First of all, you just need to write your job title. For example, I am just searching here the accounts manager job. So after this, now you can see that. And from here, you can also select here the post, people, groups, companies, schools. So this time I am just searching for jobs. So that is why you just need to click on jobs. And now you can see that from here, you can also target your country. For example, if you are searching for United States jobs, and so you just need to click on United Kingdom. And if you want to searching for jobs in UAE, and you just click on United Arab Emirates. And if you want to USA, you just click on United States. So you can also select here according to your requirement. You can also select here the cities, states. It totally depends on you. And from here you can also select the date posted job. For example, you just need to past week jobs, then click on past week. And if you want just a past 24 hours, you just need to click on past 24 hours. And if you want to just a past month job, you just need to click on past month. And now experience level. From here you can also select the experience level, entry level, internship, directors, executive. So different experience levels are available, so you can select according to your requirement. And if you have any specific company, you can write the name of the company. And now different companies are available. For example, you just need a job in just a ADP company, you just need to select ADP and you can find the results. So it's totally depend on you. Job type, and if you are searching for full-time job, you just need to click on full-time, part-time, temporary, internship, and different more options are available, so you can select according to your requirements. And you can see that an on-site job, remote job, hybrid job. If you are searching for on-site, you just need to click on on-site, remote, and hybrid. So you can all these select according to your requirement. And different more filters are available. You can select here. You can just select here the recent. You just select here the relevant. So you can select all these according to your requirement. And experience level, company name, you can add more companies name here, and job type. And now different more job collections are available, locations are available, industries are available. If you want to just a hospitality industry, you just need to click hospitality, and different more industries are available, so you can select all these industries according to your requirement. For example, if you just need a financial services and you just need a real estate, you can select real estate industry and financial industry. So it's totally depend on you. You can also add more industries according to your requirement. Job function, you can select here the management, sales, finance. So different job functions are available, so you can select according to your requirement. And job titles are available. You can select here the managers, accountant, salesperson, accounts manager. So different job titles are available. So if you want only those jobs that under 10 applicants, so you can just on this, so you can see only those jobs that apply only 10 applicants. And salary range in your network, you can also select here the salary range according to your requirement. And once you are 100% sure about your target audience and about your filters and about your jobs requirements, and then just click on show results. And now you can see that accounts manager job is available. And now you can see that you can also message the hiring manager, CEO from here. And now you can see that. And if you want to feedback, you can send here from feedback. And if you want to share, you can share from here. And if you want to save this job, you can easily save from here. And if you want to just easy apply, you just need to click on easy apply. And from here you just need to write your email address, phone number, and after this you just need to click on next. And from here you can upload your resume. If you want another resume, you just need to click on upload resume, and from here you can upload your resume. And you can select your resume, and if you are not 100% sure about your resume, so you can also download your resume so you can check your resume it's perfect for this job or not. And now you can see that my resume is okay for this job, and then I just need to click on next. Different additional questions are available, so you can select all these according to your requirement. And after this preview, and once you are fully satisfied, then just click on submit application. And now you can see that. And if you want to set alert for the job, accounts manager job, you just need to click on set alert. And now you can see that. You just need to click on. For example, I am set alert for senior level, so I just need to set alerts, and now you can see that. And now if you want to apply on this job, this is a not easy job, and now you can see that for this you need to sign up another website, and now you can see that. And if you want just an easy job, you just need to click on easy jobs. And now for example, I'm just clicking here this job. This is an easy job, and some jobs are not as easy job, so you just need to click on. And now I am just removing the easy job function, and now you can see that. From here you need to apply on another website. Now you can see that. And from here you can apply. You just need to click on apply for job, and apply for this job. From here you can apply this job. And now I will tell you another method. You just need to click on job, and now you can see that. You just need to click on your job function, and after this you can just set alerts, interview preparation, resume builder. So different more options are available. For example, you want to just a job alert, you just need to click on job alert, and different job alerts are already. You can delete these jobs according to your requirement. For example, I'm just deleting these job alerts and search for new job. For example, I am just writing here the accounts manager job, and when I am satisfied with the job, you just need to click on set alert, and now you can see that. So hope you understand about how you can find jobs on LinkedIn and how you can apply with easy method. So thank you for watching video. Bye bye.